always my fans, and from how long me not see you, how long to see you, so I have to do something today. Well, today we are home, so I'm going to make something. We're going to have ripe fig fritters today with fried potato and sausage roll. Beside it, we're going to have some fried sausages and things, but I'm sure it's very enjoyable. So we have some great sausages with a little milk and the fig. So we're going to mix. See what I want, people? Ripe fig fritters today and fried potato. You know, people, when time along for soon, no feel like I go and left all the eye right here. But you know, all the things set. So we're going to start to fry our potato. So this pot is for the fritters. This pot is for our fry up sausages. So we have our sausages twist roll. Let me fry. You don't know how long I'm my fans, you know. I mean, I like to stay away too long from all you. So, let me do something today. Over here, we're going to make our fry up sausages. We have onion, we have our tomato, garlic and things. I just showing you when you're home where you could, sometimes your mind wondering what you want to eat. You could, anything you could mix up and make something delicious. Right, let me fry a little bit. In the meantime, we put in a little vinegar. Because you know I always cook with my vinegar. Good flavor and cure, keep your food from spoiling. We turn over our sausages twist roll. Sure to try it at home. And at the same time we're doing our fried potato over here. Now we put in our sausages. We're using the same sausages what we used to make the twist roll. Same sausages could make our size. Okay. Right. Round when they fry, we're going to leave it on anything, right? Yeah guys, I wanted to see my fritters, how we do it. Let's take up a little spoonful. We don't want to make it too broad and big, so we use our spoon to measure it. Guys, I wanted to make it easier for you at home when you're at home and don't know what to do. Guys, there's plenty more I had to show you, you know. We have plenty more to show you. But we have to do it one day at a time. This is very enjoyable. I don't know about you, but when you try it, you will know. And remember, like, subscribe. Yeah guys, welcome back to our finishing touch right here. Our meal here, because we wanted to see what going on here. So come closer, my cameraman. Let me show them what going on in the kitchen here. So this is the our banana fritters here, our sausage roll twist, and our fried potato, and our fry up sausages. So watch, like, and subscribe, and watch out for the other video. We're coming up sharp. One love. We love your people.